So now you've made the cover for your book, you need to start thinking about the inside and your writing that's going to go in your book when it's finished. Don't start sticking any pages in yet because you don't know exactly how many you're going to need. But I've got 2 pieces of white, plain white A4 paper, and I've put them together and folded them so the short sides meet, and that will give you 8 pages. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that will fit inside your book, and that will give you the 8 pages for the 4 parts that we're going to write this week. Have a look at your plan that you did last week, and today you're going to write pages 1 and 2. So you're going to do part 1 of the story, you're going to do 2 pages of writing. So the first page on my plan, it says introduce the old man and old woman, and then she bakes the gingerbread man. So those are my 2 pages. I'll show you that. Okay, so I'm here. So I've got some paper here and I've drawn some lines at the bottom. Maybe you could get your parent or adult who's working with you to draw some lines, or you might have some half-lined paper. And I'm going to write on the lined part, and then I'm going to draw a picture at the top afterwards. So, first part of my story, I'm going to introduce some of the characters. So I'm going to start, as most brilliant traditional tales do, by saying once upon a time. So, once upon a time, and I'm thinking about my writing superpowers. So I'm leaving finger spaces. There was an old man and an old woman. Now some stories, they say that they wanted a child, they didn't have a child and they were lonely, so you can include that part if you like. I've written, see, I've got 2.5 lines already. Once upon a time there was an old man and an old woman. I'm going to write, they wanted a child. So one day, the old woman decided, that's a long word, decided to bake a gingerbread man. So that's my first page, and you can draw your picture at the top. And then my second page, it says baked gingerbread man. So I'm going to make it a little bit more interesting than just saying she baked a gingerbread man. So I'm going to say she got her ingredients ready. And mixed them all up in a big bowl. Let's make it a bit better. Big red bowl. Throw in some adjectives, make it more exciting. So she got her ingredients ready and mixed them all up in a big red bowl. She rolled the mixture out, cut out a gingerbread man shape, and put it on a tray. And then put it in the oven. So those are my first 2 pages finished. So I could do a picture of the old lady with her red mixing bowl, mixing up the mixture and about to put it in the oven. And then tomorrow we'll come back and write the next couple of pages.